How to pause watch history on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to pause watch history on YouTube. If you are someone who values privacy, or wants to keep your browsing habits private, then this tutorial is for you. So let's start the video. The first step to pausing watch history on YouTube is, in your system, open YouTube. Here in the top left corner, click on these three lines, so click on it. Now click on History. Now on the right side click on Manage All History. A new window will appear. Now, click on Saving Your YouTube History. Now scroll down, under YouTube History uncheck this option, Include the YouTube videos you watch by clicking on it, so uncheck it. A new dialog box will appear. Pause YouTube watch history. Scroll down and click on Pause button. Now click on Got it. You have successfully paused your watch history on YouTube. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.